Well, hey guys, so I'm down here with Paulie, Mr Landcruiser. Now this is the 40 series graveyard. This is where all the old 40 series come, get broken up, distributed around the world, keep other 40 series on the road for another 40 years, right? So we're going to be breaking the mold a little bit here by not wrecking one like Paulie over there does week in, week out. We're going to be bringing one back to life. This is a 1970s. Wait, what are you doing? Am I going to have to install some CCTV here? Make sure your sticky fingers don't get all over it.
Stuff on these.
Right, we've got a 1970s BJ40. Yes, we know we've got our work cut out. There's a lot of cancer in it, a lot of rot, but there are some good bits on this truck. Now, so we're going to be spending the next few months bringing this thing back to life. Cab off, sandblasted chassis, and we're going to be putting it back together. And I'm in the best place in the world to do it, a 40 series graveyard. It's a picker's dream, and I can't wait to get stuck in. Right, so let's go into a bit more depth about this, right? So there's a lot of cancer in this vehicle. The floor pans are all gone. I haven't even got the fuel tank up yet to see what's under there. We've got rot in the bulkhead here in between the windscreen and the body. Not too bad, to be honest. I've seen worse. But what we're going to be doing, we got bits down the back. What we're going to be doing, we're going to be stripping this right down. We're going to be getting the cab off, and we're going to be sending it for sandblasting. Now we do this because my mate Allan Gray says if you're going to do this, you've got to do it properly. Take it back to the bare bones. Otherwise, you're never going to find all the cancer, and we need to get rid of all of it. So we're going to get down to the sandblaster, strip it right back, and repair every single last little bit of rot on this vehicle. So up to the front of the vehicle, we're going to start with the windscreen. Good windscreen here. But another good thing about working down here at Paulie's Mr Landcruiser is that he's the Terrain Tamer stockist, and they stock all the rubbers, all throughout the vehicle, but especially the windscreen rubbers. Really makes a difference when putting it back together. When it comes to the engine, the customer's still in two minds about what he's going to go for, 13, 15 BT, 12 HT, that's what I'm all about. And whatever engine he goes with, again, Paulie can get all the decals for the relevant engines to that vehicle. It's going to be awesome, man. I can't believe it. It's just the bulkhead's going to be perfect. Send all the brake boosters away for reconditioning and all that. Like, I can't wait. I'm just getting totally excited about this job, man. Awesome. Wait, what are you doing? Get out. Please. Are you nicking all the bits? I knew it, mate. Anyway, right. I better set something up here, mate. This is not good. Anyway, let's crack on.